Mail Merge automatically creates multiple documents that look exactly the same but are uniquely personalized.
Think about your own workflow. Are you still manually typing out 100 individual letters or certificates? Exhausting, right?
Ditch that slow, error-prone method. Mail Merge is incredibly fast, completely automated, and literally 100% accurate.
To master this productivity powerhouse, you really just need to wrap your head around 3 essential components. First up is the main document. Think of this as your master template where everything starts. For instance, this could just be a standard form letter you've written to offer customers a sweet discount. Component 2 is the data list. This is usually just an Excel spreadsheet already filled with your recipient data. To connect them, just jump into the Mailings tab and fire up that step-by-step wizard. Super easy.
The wizard walks you right through it. Just browse for your Excel file and pick the correct worksheet.
And hey, you maintain total control here. Just uncheck any specific recipients you want to skip over. Now for the actual magic. Component 3, Merge Fields. This drops the unique data into every single copy. You can instantly pop in things like a fully formatted address block or a customized personal greeting line. Just drop your cursor where you want it, click the item, preview the formatting, and hit OK. Word then drops a little placeholder tag exactly where that unique information is going to appear later. Almost done. But before we print, we always want to preview the finished product to ensure total accuracy. Just click those menu arrows to review each individual copy. Make sure every customer's letter looks absolutely perfect. Looks good? Awesome. Now it's finally time for step 5. We're going to complete the merge. Just hit print, select all documents, tweak any final settings you might have, and click OK. Boom. This is a must-know trick. You can instantly churn out event name tags, mailing labels, or custom envelopes. Say goodbye to busy work. The amount of time, energy, and sanity you'll save is practically endless. Mail Merge completely automates the boring stuff. So what are you going to do with all that reclaimed time?